In a world battling a global pandemic, bringing sickness and isolation, bringing hope is the mission of the Impact Your Health Free Clinic. Health is a valuable possession. Yet there is a gap for many people between financial pressure and the capacity to get the help they need. Impact Your Health is committed to bridging that gap for as many people as possible. In August this year, Impact Your Health partnered with over 400 volunteers to answer God's call to minister to the needs of the people of Oregon. Through free medical, dental, and vision services over a span of 2 days, people not only from Portland, but all over Oregon were showered with love. Local schools, churches, hospitals, as well as ordinary citizens from around the U.S. came together to form a vibrant team of service, demonstrating kindness and compassion through action.
This is my 4th year that I have volunteered for Impact Your Health. I have seen that Impact Your Health serves such a wide variety of people, from homeless to the working poor to people that simply don't have vision or dental insurance. And it's just been amazing, really opened my eyes to the needs of this community. Coordinating volunteers is an amazing experience. They come in with tremendous energy, passion, and a heart to serve. So I always try to remind them that we're the face of Impact. We want to see friendliness and flexibility. I always say those are the 2 key words, friendliness and flexibility. We want people to be so welcomed when they come here, that they are blown away with how important they are as one person.
Probably the most important thing I have learned through this kind of experience and being involved with people. People are what makes it happen. People who volunteer and give up their time, their skills, their training, their compassion. People who are in need and are willing to say, I need help. And it is wonderful to be able to coordinate something like this to make it available.
It's speech time. I have a new experience. I come in, check my health for the dentist and skin cancer. Everything is very nice. The people are very nice. The doctor is very friendly. It's very, very good. Free time is good experience.
I took a little bit longer getting here than I normally would have just because I was nervous, but thankfully everyone was very kind and patient with me and my husband who also came, so it was a really great experience. As soon as I walked in outside, the 2 women who were out there were very friendly, very kind. They kind of just talked to us about how our day was going and got us checked in really fast and immediately registered, and the process was really smooth and they were really kind, which also made my nerves a lot easier too, or less. I've been low income my entire life, and although I do have health care and health insurance now, it's been hard for me to get in, and I know there's people who don't have the opportunity to have health insurance and stuff, so I think just the whole program that you guys are doing is awesome and a really good thing for the community. Definitely helping out a lot of people in need. I lost my glasses a few months ago. I've been having bad vision issues and haven't gone to the eye doctor, and I had a really great experience with the eye doctor here today. He gave me some information about my health that I would need to know for future conditions that I might have, and that was just really great. I didn't expect it to be so full detail of a screening and stuff, which was great. They definitely got me all the information I needed, and made me feel comfortable during the whole process, which was important to me because I'm just kind of like an anxious person anyways. So, but having everyone be really nice was awesome, and it made me feel better.
This clinic has been great. The experience on day 1, a little slower than I expected because the people in the past have told me it's pretty busy. But I think with COVID and the weather a little bit weird today, I could probably see why not as many people came out. But the people that came out, they were also appreciative. And it was a good experience getting to give them glasses, provide them vision where they wouldn't have had the resources elsewhere. So my most memorable experience from today was probably my last patient. Me being a little bit tired at the end of the day. I was, my mental, thinking was I want to kind of, wrap up and go home. But she was so appreciative, especially because I had found something that previously had not been found. So she was very appreciative for my time and for my services, that I was able to make a finding like that and refer her to where she needed to go for that. Despite the fatigue, I'm very happy that I got to see the last patient and be able to help her where she might have not been helped before. So.
Every one of these stories that I hear from the volunteers is my story. People who get their foot washed for the first time. And most important thing is that we showed our patients that we are God's children. We show them love and compassion. We treat them like patients, whether they are homeless or migrant workers. And that's why we're all here together, to serve our people in this community.
Oh man, just keep it up, man. Just you guys have lots of love, and you guys just got way big hearts, and just really, wow, very caring. It's like an experience I've never had. It's almost like heaven itself, really, to be honest with you.
Just meeting all you people just thrills me to pieces, because you're donating your time, helping others, and I'm kind of disappointed more people didn't come. I hope next year, if this event happens out, if I don't have anything that I need taken care of, at least I can come and visit everybody. Maybe put on a costume like you got and volunteer myself.
I would just like to say a thank you to all of the people that have prayed for this. They couldn't come for various reasons, but your prayers made a difference. You formed a wall around us, a shield. The people that donated financially, you are just as important as every single volunteer. And then of course to all the volunteers, I want to say thank you.
Love is the most rewarding thing on the planet. Yet, its greatest gift is only received when the motive is unselfish. The greatest blessing gained when one actually seeks no blessing at all, but only seeks to give. Love is a light that brings hope, a light that brings healing, a light that brings peace. And in this dark world, genuine, unselfish love is what is desperately needed. We highly encourage you to join us on our next adventure to impact lives through service. Remembering it takes a team linked by God to accomplish a dream. So invest of your means, and more importantly, your time, in carrying hope and healing to someone else and being the sunshine in their day. Because love brings life.